Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Mr. Robi. I make this video to fulfill our first assignment about subject public speaking. And yeah, here we go. I will introduce myself. Hi everyone, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ardian Shah. You can call me Ardi or Didi. That's why if you see on my YouTube channel, the name is Ardi Didi. It's have a long history of my nickname. I'm from Bagan Batu Rokan Hilir and I was born in here, Bagan Batu Rokan Hilir on 18 January 2000. And yeah, right now I'm 21 years old. And I have two older sisters and they are get married, and I'm the youngest child of 3 siblings. My father is a farmer and my mother was died on August 2018. And yeah, right now I live with my father. Talk about hobbies. My hobbies is reading, listening to the music, and watching drama, and also cooking. But right now, I really love watching drama and reading, like Korean drama, Thailand drama, and also Indonesian drama. And then I like reading on the Wattpad application, where in the Wattpad application there are many interesting stories to read, and the topic I like the most is love stories. I don't know why I like about the topic of love stories, because I feel when I'm reading the love stories makes me feel what the characters in the story feel, such as sadness and happiness. And also by reading love stories I came to know how to get love and how to be loved, and I really like to be loved. And about this major, why I choose this major, I think because of fate. It sounds like a cliche, but this is fate. Previously, I was also accepted in the history department or history education at the university in Aceh, but Aceh is too far away from my hometown, so I prefer this major or this department because the university is not too far from my village. It takes about 6 until 8 hours depending on the traffic situation. And I also think that this department has a wider scope for my future career, because in this department we are not only learning a new language, like right now I learn about English education or English language, but also teaching the language. So I think I will get a lot of knowledge for my future career in this major. Yeah, right now we are learning about public speaking. Public speaking is one of the most important subject. Because what? Because public speaking is very important for our future career. There are several reasons why public speaking is important. The first, public speaking skills will help increase self-confidence. By teaching public speaking skills, if you have enough self-confidence, then you will also be confident to welcome and opportunities that come. That's why your chance for a better career will be more open. Then the ability of public speaking will make other people happy to hear you, and if other people are happy to hear you, then they will notice you, and this of course will be very good for you, especially for your career. Public speaking skills will improve the quality of yourself, and then public speaking skills will make you think more critically, and the last, public speaking skills will enhance your ability to lead. So that's the reason why public speaking is one of the most important subject in this major. And yeah, I'm very happy to learn this subject, and I hope that I will get a lot of knowledge about this subject, because this subject is very important for my future career, because in the future I will be a teacher or lecturer or something like that. So public speaking is one of the most important subject I must learn. So sir, maybe that's all about introduce myself and why I choose this major and why public speaking is most important. I'm sorry if I had a mistake. I take full of responsibility of my mistake. Thank you sir. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and thank you guys for watching this video.